guys! Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Are you ready to make something fun, easy, and inexpensive for Valentine's Day? This is a very simple wreath to make and it doesn't take much time at all, and I just love that sign. Love is the key to happiness. So if you enjoy this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. First, you're going to need some yarn, and this is just some chunky yarn from Hobby Lobby, and you're going to need one Dollar Tree heart wreath form. I bought 2 of the heart wreath forms, so hopefully I'll have another heart wreath DIY coming up soon for you. First, you're going to take your chunky yarn, flip your wreath form over to the back side, and you might want to put on your hot glue finger guards for this part. I'm just using some Gorilla Glue hot glue, and I have my hot glue set on the low temp setting, and I'm just hot gluing my chunky yarn to the heart wreath form. Let it have time to dry, and then we're just going to wrap our metal heart wreath form. Try to pull it nice and tight and keep it straight, and just continue to wrap the heart wreath form. And I add a little bit of hot glue as I go, and it's easier for me to cut the yarn into strips. That way I don't have so much yarn going through the middle at a time. This is my 4th Valentine's Day 2024 DIY. So I have made 2 Valentine's Day yardstick door swags, and then I have made another one with a scarf wreath. And so at the end I added some pictures, and I'll also link those tutorials for you in the description box just in case you'd like to check them out. I also have a new bow tutorial on my YouTube channel. It's a double bow, and I show you step by step how to make it. It's very simple, and if you're having a little bit of trouble making bows, I think you'll enjoy this tutorial, so I'll link it in the bottom in the description box too for you. And here's how the wreath looks wrapped with the chunky yarn. And here's my favorite sign, love is the key to happiness, from Dollar Tree. So we're going to be adding it to our heart wreath. So I picked this up at Dollar Tree for $1.25. And we're going to cut the key part off. I'm just adding some Gorilla Glue hot glue around the back of the edge of the heart sign. And then we're going to place this heart right in the center of our chunky yarn heart wreath. So just be very careful when you use your hot glue. Then we're going to center it up and place it right in the center and hold for just a second and let it have time to dry. I just love the pink and red together. I just love those colors together. And so next we're going to be adding the key. So I just cut off the ribbon, adding some hot glue to the back center of the key, placing it on the right side, kind of at an angle. Just going to hold it for a little bit and let the hot glue dry. I think the left side needs a little bow, so here I'm tying a single bow with some 1.5 inch width ribbon with wire. Just going to take a zip tie, wrap it nice and tight around the center of the bow. And like I said, if you're having a little bit of trouble tying bows, I have the perfect bow tutorial for you for making a double bow, and I'll link it below for you. But now I'm just taking the zip tie, and it's just a 4-inch zip tie, making it nice and tight around the center of my bow. Then I'm going to cut off the extra part of the zip tie that sticks out, and then I am going to take the ends or the tails of the bow, just kind of cut them at an angle, and then I am going to fluff the little loops on my petite bow, and I'm just going to add a little bit of Gorilla Glue hot glue on the left side of the heart at the top and place my bow in the hot glue and let it have time to dry. Okay guys, so what do you think of my Love is the Key to Happiness heart wreath? Next, I'm just taking some twine. I just made a loop, and I'm hot gluing the twine to the back center of the heart wreath at the top. I'm going to put a piece of scrap ribbon over the hot glue and let it have time to dry. That way I can hang it up on my door. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this heart wreath. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It is free to subscribe. I share lots of budget-friendly DIYs, shop with me videos, shopping hauls, and decorating videos. I would love to have you as a subscriber. Thanks guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this wreath as much as I enjoyed making it. Thank you.